This is Carter Notch. Been kind of rushing up to this point. Had a late start this morning, so wanted to get the first few miles in as quick as possible. From here, though, we go down into the wild river wilderness. So, but it's lunchtime now. That's Carter Notch down there. This is the backside of Wildcat. Here's a peek of the trail I've been coming up. It's been a bit of a staircase. It's hard to tell that, but it goes up and up and up and up and up. That's Carter Dome. This is the Rainbow Trail coming down off of Carter Dome. Right here I'm pushing through some Krumholtz, a dwarfed forest. It's really beautiful here. All the colors make you know that this is autumn. We are well into the end of the year. Wild River Wilderness. Well, that's what the whole adventure's about. Beautiful little pond near the campsite. And the sun just about ready to go down. Moose tracks. I've seen a bunch of moose tracks along this trail here, a lot of drop-ins and stuff, but have yet to find a moose. The trail, as you can see, can be quite wet. And a little while back I slipped into the mud up to my ankle. It took a while just to get my foot out of that mud, but had to stop, knock the mud out of my boot, change my socks, and on we go. This is the Wild River. It's grown up since the trickle where I started this morning. And that's my trail. I'm on top of Eagles Crag. That's over towards Carter and Mariah. That's that ridge line over there. And in between us, of course, is the Wild River Wilderness. It's kind of interesting is to look off in this direction, where the mountains just stop and we have Maine farmland and things like that. This is the Wild River again. It's a lot more mature than it was a few miles back. I must be getting up on the ridge line. As you can see, the trail over there, yeah, that's the trail up that slab, has gotten pretty much a lot of scrambling, hands and knees and so forth. And out there, it's getting pretty foggy. Well, actually, I'm leaving the Wild River Wilderness. It's where I join the AT, come up on top of the Carter-Mariah ridge line. As you can see, it's a gloriously beautiful day. Actually, what we're in here is a cloud forest. Look at all that moss. It's just dripping. This is the end of the Black Angel Trail. Up here, I'm joining the AT to follow the ridge line. It looks like a highway compared to the footage I've been seeing. Is that a past 1 mile? That's where I get off the ridgeline. This is my high point for the day, Mount Height. It is a precious, wonderful view of the inside of a cloud. First snow of the season. Well,